Hey everyone, this is Lindy.
And I'm Russ.
And today we're sharing some DIY gifts that we are making.
So it's that time of year again, and we need to come up with some creative gifts for our family and friends.
So we're using the Glowforge to make these products. If you don't know what a Glowforge is, I'll link the video up top so you can hear all about it. Basically, it's a little laser cutting machine. So hopefully if you have a Glowforge or a different laser cutting machine, you get some inspiration. And if you don't, hopefully you just find this video really entertaining because we're making some cool stuff.
For most of these gifts, we'll also have the plans in our Etsy shop, so you can get the cut files there if you want to make your own. And if you're interested in the Glowforge and you're looking at buying one, we do have referral codes to get you a bit of a discount to buy your own Glowforge.
Okay, so jumping into our first project, this is a project that we designed with kids in mind, including our own, and it is a small castle. I actually had the idea to make this one, and I knew all of my kids would like it for different reasons, but we designed it to be nice and sturdy with a shelf in the middle so that everything is sturdy and will not fall apart.
Well, you need the shelf also to put people at the top of the wall so they can protect the castle.
Yeah, obviously. We just thought this would be a really fun toy for kids of any age, using whatever figurines or toys they already have at home.
Yep.
And as a bonus, if you don't stain it or paint it, kids can do that as part of the gift and design their own castle.
We all know how hard it is to shop for guys, apparently. I mean, I just buy things when I need it. I don't know why.
Exactly.
So Lindy came up with this great idea to have customized bottle openers. And we'll include a link for these in the description below, but they're just a bottle opener with a wooden handle, and you can engrave or score a little logo or personalization on the handle.
So these are great gifts. You can put like world's best dad, world's best grandpa, whatever you want. Your kids can gift it, you can gift it. You get the idea.
And then the person getting it can open beer, so it's a win-win.
This next one was specifically designed for our daughters, but you could customize this for anyone. We wanted to make some little acrylic jewelry holders for them in the shapes of their favorite animals, which happen to be cats and elephants. So we made this little cat-shaped acrylic holder. We used purple acrylic, which is perfect for these young gals. I don't know why I called them gals, because I've never said that before.
Southern Belle here.
We used purple acrylic, which is perfect for the girls, because they love little pastel-y colors. And they are just so cute. We put spots for studs, spots for earrings. They can hang watches on it one day, whatever they have. But I know that the girls are gonna love these.
This is a great gift for the gardener in your life, and it's just little garden stakes to say what kind of seed you planted where. So it's just a little stake cut out in acrylic, and then it has a label etched in for the type of seed. So carrots, celery, radish, beets, beans, corn, cucumber, potatoes, strawberries.
Well, we don't have a strawberry.
No, we should add that. Good thing. So again, really simple, but I think it's really cool because who likes getting their seeds mixed up in their garden? I know I don't.
Plus they just look pretty. They look pretty in flower pots, raised garden beds, normal low garden beds.
Medium-sized, tight garden beds.
You know everything is planted, and I'm pretty sure any gardener would like this.
Yeah, big gardeners, small gardeners, old gardeners,
medium-sized gardeners. This next one is some cute little leather gift tags. I did these because I just love using leather as a medium, and the Glowforge does a great job of cutting it out and etching it. So I thought making some gift tags that I could use year after year would actually be really fun and really cute. This is just one more of my kind of eco-friendly gift wrapping solutions because I can keep them on hand. And if you want to see more about those, I'll link them up top. But I really love the look of these. So simple and so cute.
But if anyone asks, Santa made them. Most people have cell phones nowadays, and a lot of people have smartwatches, and I thought it would be kind of cool to make a little tray to hold both. Normally you see the cell phone or watches this on the end table beside the bed, but I thought it'd be cool to make a stand that could hold both of these. And I had seen stands previously that would just do one or the other, but I decided to make a stand that would hold several different things. So the stand I designed will hold a cell phone and smartwatch, and it even has a little hole cut out to charge the smartwatch, and also a little stand and a little cutout for your cord for your phone. And then on the other side, you can hang keys or necklaces or even your glasses. So it's kind of like a little universal stand to hold everything in one place and look good at the same time.
I actually was in need of something like this, so he designed this specifically for me to hang my watch and my phone and my glasses.
I wasn't gonna say that, but that's why I designed it, so all her stuff is in one spot.
This one is for our kids again, or any kids in your life. This is little Barbie-sized furniture pieces. I know there's lots of options out there for miniature doll furniture, but most of that is way too small for Barbie. And our kids play with Barbies. So we wanted to make a nice little kitchen table set, different little tables and chairs, and Russ designed them and we printed them out. And I think they look amazing. I was actually so happy with how these turned out. And it's gonna go really well with the big Christmas gift we're making for them this year. So stay tuned if you wanna see that in one of our upcoming shorts.
So yeah, this, like Lindy was saying, is actually designed to a 1/6 scale, which is the Barbie furniture, which is what we had a hard time finding. So, and it was really fun to design. It was like little miniature furniture that you cut out on a printer. So. This next one is really nice because most people have a place where they live, and most places where you live have a house number, so most people should need this. And it's just making a cool, modern looking house number display to show your address of your home on the exterior of your home. And we just used acrylic and we cut it out and it looks awesome. We were really happy with how it turned out, and it actually was a very simple product that looked really high end.
As a home decor lover myself, I approve of this going on the outside of the house.
Stamp.
The next one is a holder for the pods for our Nespresso maker. This one was specifically designed to go into our RV kitchen, which hopefully will all wrap up in the new year, and you guys will see it. But it's specifically designed to fit the pods and have different columns so you can put different strengths of coffee or decaf or whatever you want to put in them. I just wanted something sleek, something that saved space, something that looked minimal, and this checked all of those boxes.
The nice thing about this design is even if you get our SVG cut file, you can make it a little bit longer. You could add your own lettering to put like decaf, strong, medium, coffee just labels or descriptors. So it's really customizable, but we really like how ours turned out because it just has a really sleek look. And what kind of gift givers would we be if we didn't gift a game?
Crappy ones.
Yeah. So we had seen this, I think maybe craft fairs, or we had seen
a version of this.
And a little ring toss, but we wanted to kind of make a miniature one that the kids could move around and play with. So we designed and drafted a little circle board for ring toss, added some numbers, and we cut out our own hoops even. And all you had to do was buy some little square hooks, and we had a game.
I can see anyone playing this from the age of 4 to 17-year-old to a 30-something-year-old.
And then to your how old?
29.
29-year-old?
I'm pretty sure if this was a gift under the tree Christmas morning, everybody would be excited to play it.
Yeah,
so it's a
cool.
Great gift idea for the whole family.
And another thing which you can do with your laser printer is personalization. So for some of the gifts like the beer openers or the ornaments or the gift tags or the cell phone holder, you could start adding company logos or names or little sayings, like any of those. If you have the logo file, you can add to these really easily and use them as like a corporate kind of gift.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Let us know which gift idea you liked the most in the comments below. And as always, hit the bell so you don't miss out on more DIY and home renovation videos. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.